Good morning. Today I'm uploading my video in the morning itself. It's because one of my very good friend has requested me to teach symbols of elements of the chapter of chemistry. So I'm teaching today symbols, okay? Chemistry lesson. So first thing I would like to tell you, what is a symbol? A symbol is a small word or a sign which indicates something. Okay? In chemistry, when we write the symbol of an element, right, we use one or two alphabets generally, in which the first alphabet is a capital letter followed by a small one. Now, we have basically two elements and compounds. In chemistry, we read two things, elements and compounds. We don't write symbol of compounds. We write formulas of compounds, whereas we write symbol of elements. Okay. Now you can ask me, what are elements? Elements are pure substance that are made up of only one kind of atom. For compounds are made up of two or more elements. So उनके जो atoms होते हैं वो different होते हैं because it is made up of different elements, whereas elements are pure substance. उनमें एक ही तरह का atom हमें मिलता है, right? Now, when we write symbol, the basic rule for writing symbol of elements is if we are writing symbol of metals, right? We use generally the Latin name to write the symbol of metals, whereas you'll find in non-metals you take the first alphabet of a non-metal to write the symbol. For example, I am telling you, when we write the symbol of oxygen, it is O. When we write the symbol of nitrogen, N, carbon, C, hydrogen, H. Okay, so these are non-metals, and we write the symbol from the first letter of a non-metal. Then sulfur S, phosphorus P. Okay, then chlorine is Cl. Now you'll ask me, why not C? The reason is carbon starts with C. So if we use C for two or more elements, how it is possible that we'll come to know which element we are talking about. So if we have already used the first alphabet of an element for making its symbol, and any other element which shares a common alphabet, like C is for carbon, C is for chlorine, right? So we will write Cl for chlorine and C for carbon. Now S is for sulfur, whereas Si is for silicon, right? In metals, what we follow is a Latin name. So if you know the Latin name of metals, you will be easily able to write the symbol of the metals. Like when we talk about sodium, okay, its Latin name is natron. Okay, so we write Na. When we write potassium, its Latin name is kalium, so we write K. Okay, then it's like iron. Okay, its Latin name is ferric. We write Fe. So I would suggest you, if you want a clarity for the symbol of metals, you should know the Latin name of those metals. If you know the Latin names, you'll be able to write the symbol very easily. For non-metals, you can definitely use this thumb rule. Generally, the symbol of non-metals start with the first alphabet of the non-metals, but still there are some exceptions which you have to remember. Okay, I'm giving you some more examples so that it is very clear. Gold, Latin name is aurum. Okay, so the symbol is Au, whereas lead is plumbum, so symbol is Pb, right? In non-metals, you can say bromine, Br. Now, why not B? Because boron starts with B. Okay, then any other iodine, I, right? So basic thumb rule which I told you is when you are dealing with metals, you should know the Latin name of the metal so that you can write the symbol very easily. Whereas in non-metals, even like in inert gases, helium, He, neon, Ne, argon, Ar, okay, we use the first two letters or the first alphabet. Sometimes when it is common with some other element, then we use first two. Sometimes first and third, so that we can remember. The first alphabet should be capital, okay, and followed with the small letter. So I hope it is clear. Any other doubt, any other issue, you can definitely text me. I can give you one-to-one also few minutes on video, not like YouTube videos, but generally, and I can teach you, no problem. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. And thank you so much for watching my videos, for subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. Maybe tomorrow I'll come again with English language, types of pronouns. And in between, if I get any other request, I would be dealing with any other subject, any other topic. Okay? Thank you.